Hi, Terrence Madison here, Area Sales Director with SetPoint Integrated Solution. Today, we'd like to talk to you about some of our valve repair capabilities we have here at SetPoint. At SetPoint, we understand the importance of valve repair capabilities. We have technicians available 24/7 to make sure we can prevent as much downtime as possible to your facilities. We have experienced technicians that are available. All of our technicians are trained on a levels program to make sure they have the skill set to repair any valve that's available in your field. We proudly operate 14 repair valve shops throughout the Gulf states. We also have capabilities of repair remanufacturing valves also at SetPoint along with Valve Source. Some of these products include control valve repairs, relief valve repairs, manual operated and MOV repairs, and level instrumentation products as well. Our facilities have the latest diagnostic and repair tools, ensuring we deliver quality results with precision and efficiency. From application-specific products, CNC machining, and 3D scanning, every step of our process is built around precision and reliability. From urgent repairs or to just routine maintenance, SetPoint is there to support you in any kind of way possible to minimize your downtime at your plants. So if you have any questions about our valve service capabilities, please reach out to your local SetPoint branch location or reach out to your dedicated SetPoint account manager. Thank you.